BPL 2026 Sylhet vs Dhaka match number 9 schedule and playing 11 Sylhet Titans teams playing 11 number 1 Sayam Ayub number 2 Roni Talukdar number 3 Zakir Hassan number 4 Parvez Hussain Imon number 5 Afif Hussain number 6 Mehdi Hassan Miraz number 7 Ethan Brooks number 8 Nasum Ahmed number 9 Azmatullah Omorzai number 10 Khaled Ahmed number 11 Mohammad Amir Dhaka Capitals teams playing 11 number 1 Saif Hassan number 2 Usman Khan number 3 Abdul Al Mamun number 4 Muhammad Mithun number 5 Shamim Hussain number 6 Sabbir Rahman number 7 Nasir Hussain number 8 Imad Wasim number 9 Muhammad Saifuddin number 10 Taskin Ahmed number 11 Salman Miraz BPL 9 number match scheduled at 1 December 2026 time 1 PM venue Sylhet. Please like and subscribe. Comment who will win the BPL 9 number match.